Roveel for Sage 200 is quick and easy. To get started on a free trial, simply go to the website roveel.com, hit start a free trial, pop your email address in, select where you heard us, hit submit, pop your email, pop your name, last name, and create a password in there. Repeat that password in here, hit submit, and confirm your email address in your emails, so dive into your emails, validate the email address, follow the link in the email address, and click the link, verify password, log back into Roveel, go off and validate. You'll be presented with this screen. Select Sage 200, pop in your company name, so test code, pop in your phone number, pop in the email address of the partner that you work with who provides your Sage 200 support. Pop in a note and say, please set this up across all group companies. Hit submit and read through the user agreement, accept on that, and that will now send your partner all the information they need to get you up and running with Sage 200 today. It's as simple as that.